Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's clean together the fridge.
With the holidays coming, I just did a video about cleaning and organizing the pantry, so now it's refrigerator's turn. First, let me show you how my fridge got. Everything in there is upside down, no organization, expired items, no systems, spills, crumbs, a complete disaster. First, empty the fridge. I put everything on the kitchen table. This way I see everything I'm working with. It's the perfect time to clean your fridge now, before the holidays. This way you can place all your groceries nicely, and all the cooking for family and friends lunches and dinners will have space. Ideally, a refrigerator that is being used regularly to store fresh groceries, cooked food and all kinds of sauces should be deep cleaned every 2 months. Not only it is important to keep your food fresher, but also to keep foodborne illnesses away. Studies show that illnesses caused by food are mostly because of dirty refrigerators, as they become breeding ground for dangerous bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. The most important reason behind keeping your fridge clean is to prevent the breeding of germs that can further cause diseases like food poisoning. We tend to pile up groceries without finishing the ones that we have stored already. This causes the old vegetables and fruits to decay and makes space for germs to start breeding. This same thing happens when there is a curry or sauce spilled in the fridge and is not cleaned on time. The refrigerator being the backbone of the whole kitchen, and the kitchen is the backbone of your house, it is highly important to keep up with its maintenance. The first things I clean are the organization bins and baskets, then I let them air dry. You can find a variety of them on Amazon. They will help you organize your fridge nicely.
Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how.
Next, I remove all the shelves and bins of the fridge carefully in order not to break them. I always wash these large items into the bathtub because they don't fit into the kitchen sink, and I use a disinfecting spray. I tackle a few at a time. I rinse them with warm water, spray the disinfecting product, and let it sit according to instructions. Then wash with a sponge and dish soap. This way they are clean and disinfected. Then rinse and let them air dry.
Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind, looking out from a mountain high. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be.
Cleaning your fridge will also save you money. You will have an inventory in your mind. When you decide to save the leftovers, make sure you have a plan for them. Also, make sure to label them with the date in which they were originally made. This will help keep you more organized and free of the dread feeling of discovering mold in one of those Tupperware containers. I will clean the inside of the fridge with a sanitizing refrigerator cleaner and the microfiber cloth.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking.
In taking care of your fridge, you're taking care of your food and your entire household. Food gone bad can make you ill, but a well-maintained fridge can keep your food from spoiling, contaminating other food and ultimately saving you a trip to the doctor's office.
I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Now that everything is drying and the fridge is cleaned and sanitized, I will work on the items. To be able to organize into these bins, I wipe them dry. Then I will get rid of what is expired, what I don't use, or what was sitting in my fridge for too long. Before placing every item I keep, I make sure I give it a good wipe with a disinfecting spray and a microfiber cloth. Before putting back carefully the shelves and bins of the refrigerator, dry them very well. You don't want moisture that can build mold into your fridge. Then, to get rid of all water stains, wipe the glass shelves with a glass cleaner. I won't show you all this process because I don't want to bore you. You got the idea.
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
To avoid cleaning your fridge more often than you need to, store all of your food correctly. Storing food properly is the first step to keeping it as fresh and safe as possible for as long as possible. Improperly stored food can lead to spills or leaks, and the affected areas of your refrigerator will need to be cleaned. I always line the fruit and vegetables drawers with paper towel to help to absorb moisture and keep them clean. The last thing to do is to wipe the exterior with a glass cleaner and the microfiber cloth, then buff it dry. Here you can see how shiny the exterior of my fridge looks. I always use the glass cleaner to shine my appliances, and it has always worked very well. I love how the interior turned out, so clean and organized. Please let me know in the comments below if you like to clean and organize your fridge before the holidays or after the holidays. Now I will show you how I organized everything. On the first shelf I placed all dairy things and bacon cubes. In this bin I organized the cheeses and the butter. On the second shelf I organized everything in these three bins. In one I have olives, in another one bread, and in another one smoked fish. On the third shelf I have different things, but I love these two bottles organizers. They help reaching easily everything in there. On the last shelf I have bottles and eggs, and I love this jars basket organizer. So neat! I keep in there items I don't use on a daily basis. Into the bottom bins I keep fruit in this one, and vegetables and salads in the other one. On the shelves door I keep drinks, milk, little jars, spices, sauces, and some face products. I love how everything turned out. I will also put an odor absorber for the fridge on a shelf that will absorb unpleasant odors, leaving the fridge smelling fresh all the time. I tossed the one I had in there because they work for about 2 months. I hope today's video gave you some inspiration for organizing your fridge and some motivation to clean it. It is so important to keep our homes clean, tidy, disinfected, organized. This will help you feel less overwhelmed. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!